Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this clean makeup look. This is my version of the clean makeup look and I just used a handful of products to create this look. It's super easy and quick. You can do this makeup look and go anywhere you want. You can go to your college with this makeup look on, your office. To be honest, this is my go-to look and I always do this makeup look whenever I go out. Like if I don't have a party to attend, I always wear this look. Like if you see me outside, you will find me wearing this look. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and now let's start. So I'm going to use a concealer first and I'm going to mix two shades of the concealer. First, I'm going to use a light concealer. Okay, now I'm going to blend this and now I'm going to use another concealer which is similar to my shade. The idea is to make the concealer look a little bit lighter than what I usually use. So that is the reason why I mixed it with a lighter shade. So now my under eye area is done. Now I'm going to use a CC cream. Now I'm going to use the Mamaearth Hydra-Glow CC Serum. It's lightweight and hydrating and blends effortlessly in the skin, making it look like a second skin. It gives a natural coverage, gives dewy glow, and is oil-free. I'm just going to take a little bit at the back of my hand and just start applying it on one side of my face so that you can understand the difference. It is enriched with vitamin C, which gives instant glow and brightens the skin. It also has hyaluronic acid in it, which deeply hydrates the skin, and it's also very long lasting. So it is available in 3 shades: vanilla, peach, and honey. The one that I'm using today is peach, and I'm just gonna show you how beautifully it blends, and it just looks like a second skin. Like I said, it gives a very beautiful coverage and is effortless, like it blends effortlessly. I mean, you can just see it hardly took any time for me to blend, and now you can see the difference between this side of my face and this side of my face. Do you see how glowy, dewy this side of my face looks than this side? It just gives you a very clean look, and it does not look like you're wearing a CC cream or you're wearing a foundation or anything. It just looks like your second skin. 2023 is more about CC creams and BB creams rather than foundations, and this is actually great for your skin too. Like, it's skincare and makeup because it's got vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, so while you apply it, it takes care of your skin as well. You can see how glowy my skin looks. Now I'm going to use the Mamaearth Nourishing Natural Lip, Cheek and Eye Tint. It's got a creamy matte texture and it's a multi-purpose tint and blends effortlessly into the skin, which gives you a natural looking, long-lasting tint on your lips, cheeks and eyes. It just gives you the most beautiful tint. It is enriched with natural ingredients like vitamin C, which brightens the skin, and it comes in 3 shades. So the first shade is Beet Red, which has got beetroot, which provides antioxidant benefits. The second shade is Cocoa Nude, which has cocoa, which provides moisturization. And the third one is Rose Pink, which has rose petal, which provides anti-aging benefits. My favorite shade is the Rose Pink. You can already see how much I've used it. I got this like a month back and I have been using it constantly since a month. I'm not even kidding. Whenever I go out, I always take this with me in my purse so that whenever I need, I can just touch up, and this tint is all that I have been using. Today also I'm going to take the Rose Pink shade and look at how pigmented this is, and it just makes the application so easy. You don't need any brush. You can just use your fingers to blend this, and it just comes with an inbuilt mirror and makes it very practical. Look how beautiful the shade is. Apply it on the other cheek and look how beautiful it looks. I'm gonna take the same one and apply it on top of my eyelids. Oh my god, just look at the difference. This eye looks so much more awake and fresh. And I love the fact how you can apply makeup and it still takes care of your skin. I'm gonna take the same tint and apply it on my lips. And I'm not even kidding, this tint stays on. Like, obviously if you have food, it's gonna lighten a little, but it's not gonna go away from your lips. And just look at how beautiful your lips look. Undoubtedly, this is my favorite product from Mamaearth. Now, both these products are toxin-free and Made Safe certified. Every time you buy from them, Mamaearth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. You can use my coupon code SUSH2023 to get 20% off on Mamaearth's website and app. These products are also available on Nykaa, Amazon, and Flipkart, and they're also available in stores near you. I'll mention everything in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Now, did you see how quickly, in just 2 minutes, my whole face got done with just these 2 products? Now, taking a compact, I am going to apply it under my eyes just to set the concealer. Just press the product very lightly on your skin. Just also use it on the edge of your blush just to make it appear seamless. Just not on the blush, but just the edge of the blush. I'm also going to take the blush and apply it on my lower lash line just a little bit, just to get a hint of pink. Next, I'm going to use an eyebrow pencil and just do my eyebrows very lightly. I'm not going to overdo anything, just fill in the gaps real quick. You should use minimal products in a clean makeup look. So the last product we're going to use is a highlighter, and we're just going to take a highlighter. Don't take too much, take as little as possible, and just place it properly on the high points of your face. Don't make your face look very greasy, just very light touches of highlighter on my brow bone area, on my cheekbones, on my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin, and a little bit on the middle of my forehead. Also use a mascara. I have my lash extensions done, so I'm not going to use mascara on it, but you go ahead and use a mascara. You can use 2 coats if you want. Now I'm done with this look. It was super quick and you can do it easily. It looks very fresh and very dewy, and yeah, let me know if you liked it. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. I just was going through my analytics and showed me that 81% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. Guys, what's going on? Subscribe right now, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.